In a real world scenario, we might have requirement written somewhere, for example, written on a Jira ticket. And after analyzing those requirements, we decided that we need an API that should display the products we have. And those products, we need to filter them by some filters, like we need product name and we need to filter by price range and also stock range, and we should also filter by category ID. And the resource, we decided to have something similar to that, said like a collection or an array of products. Each one has product ID and name and price and the stock and also created date. And we should have category object inside each product with its ID and name. So with those requirements, let's now jump to the code and start building that API. So let's start by building the route. We should have a protected route, get route, right? This should be get. We should have products. We might have product controller. All right, and maybe the list should be in index, and we should name it products. All right. That's it. We should now create that product controller. All right, and we should now import this. Here we go. We don't need request here. So let's jump to the product controller. Should have index function. We should receive request, right? And we should return all products. So let's check Postman to find out how that could be returned. So let's open Postman and let's check our REST API. So let's copy or duplicate logout API, and we should save it first. Dismiss. We should list products. All right. Yeah, here. Maybe we add new folder for product if we had other CRUD operations. For now, that's okay. All right, we should rename it to be products. So let's try, and it is a get request. Let's send that request, and we are unauthenticated. Of course, we did not provide a correct token. Let's have a token from the login API. Let's copy that token and paste it here in authorization header. We should paste that token here. And let's try again. Cool to undefine the controller index. All right, so it is index. Let's save it. We did not save it, so we have nothing returned because yeah, we did not return it product. So let's return it. All right, here we go. Let's send again, and as we can see, we have all product. They are by default sorted by ID, and we have some unorganized data. So let's organize them by adding resources. So let's make a resource. Make a resource should be product resource, right? And I believe we will need category resource because we included category in product. So let's first write the category. We need category ID and we need category name. Then we need semicolon. So in here we should have an array containing product ID, product name, product price, and stock as well. So this is a stock, and we should have created it. That's it, and we should have category. All right, so this should be no, I will not use this category. I will not like use I will use category resource, new category resource of of the of category. This should be the relation name. So we should check product model, and yeah, we have category relation. We don't eager load the relation in our query, so it will be lazy loaded. So for example, if you return like 15 record or 50 record, so you will have another 50 category query for each product. So we don't need this. So we will tell the resource to only load the category when it's loaded in the query. So this when loaded, right? This should be like this when loaded of a category. All right. Yeah, I believe that's it. That's fine. And let's now return not product. Let's return product resource, right? Collection of products. Let's check our response, guys. Yeah, here we go. We have data, everything we have, and I think we should paginate, right? And because we have filters, I might do something like this: query product. I will just initiate the query here, and I'll do products equal query paginate. All right, that's it. So let's try this. I think the default pagination is 15. So we have data, we have links, we have meta. So those added by default um, to the response when we use the like a product resource collection. So when Laravel serialize or deserialize, like doing two array for that product resource, this automatically appending like pagination data to our response. So yeah, that's a lot of work that Laravel do for us. Let's focus on our business logic. What else we need now? So I think we should like eager load our category. So as you can see, we did not load it. We did not eager load the category. So it didn't show here. So if we write query with category, let's check again. Yeah, we now have the category eager loaded. So the response time will not be too much. Now let's add our filters. So we need to filter like, yeah, maybe we use something like this. If query has maybe product name, we should filter by query where name, like at request name. All right. And yeah, and we should have also product price from maybe category ID first. So we're category ID. So this will be request category ID. And yeah, let's add another one for price from, right? Price from where price where price it is in the database price is maybe greater than or equal, right? Should be like a string greater than or equal request price from. All right, and let's duplicate this one, this filter, which should price 2, right? And should be less than or equal to price 2. Yep, and we should have similar stuff for a stock, I believe, stock from and stock 2, right? Yeah, that's it. And I believe let's also, before pagination, maybe here, let's order by, not ID, let's order by name. All right. By default, it should be ascending. So let's keep it as it is. And now let's check our API. So it is ordered by product name, and we have prices. Let's like maybe we could have price name filter, price name or product name, sorry, should be something like this, maybe. Right, as you can see, I filtered the filter that I used that time in params, so it could be sent in the query string. Right, let's check that. So we have how many products we have that containing data string vel, right? So uh, I believe quite a lot. So I think I will change our search to be maybe the what we search on should start with that string, so it will be more accurate, so we can eliminate more result. So I think that should do the job. So it should start with vel, right? Product name. So I believe it did not do anything. So that is not working yet. So this is product name. All right, this should be product name, not name, but this should be name. So let's try again. So this is vel, this is vel, right? So everyone has vel. That's okay. Now we know that this one is working fine. Let's add another one. Price from should be, let's disable this filter from 100 to price 2 to 200, right? Yeah. It is not, yeah, price 100 and 12, 133. And yeah, I think we got the data we want. The filter is working fine. Let's filter by stock from and stock 2. Stock from, maybe we should filter for product that has stock from 10 to 20. So let's check if we have something like this. Stock from and stock 2. So stock 7, that is not what we want. So let's check now our query. So we have price, so this should be stock, right? So, and this one is stock and this one stock. All right. and stock 2. Let's try again. Now we have 13, we have 20, we have 17, and we have 18. Yeah, I think that's fine. Everything is working as expected. And yeah, I think our API is good for now. In the next video, we might add some unit tests for that API, and also we might refactor our controller so to be more prettier and more readable and more reusable as well. So yeah, stay tuned and excited. See you in the next video. Bye.